Local news for Monday the 20th of April. The Masterton District Council annual plan submissions close today. Submissions are easy to do and can be done via the Masterton District Council website. In response to the government's call for shovel-ready projects, Greater Wellington and the mayors of the 8 territorial local authorities met and agreed a regional strategy approach to the government's infrastructure investment strategy. Included in the project are the Hood Aerodrome upgrade, plus rail station upgrades, long-distance rolling stock, as well as the purchase of electric buses. Pukaha has managed to breed New Zealand's most endangered parakeet for the very first time. 4 orange-fronted kakariki chicks were hatched in the centre in late February and the centre's sole captive breeding pair. All have survived through to adulthood and will be released into the wild in the coming months. And the Wairarapa remains at 0 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Testing continues, however, and anyone who thinks they may have symptoms are asked to contact their GP or healthline first on 0800 358 54 53. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.